Welcome at Combat TV. Today we are going to have a closer look at the multipass processing for pre-calculations. The multipass procedure allows us to take a look into the future. For example, you can create page references in a sales report even though you don't know what's on which page yet. Let's look at an example. For that, we are using the report Mix of Portrait and Landscape from our sample application. First of all, we would need to create a variable using the setVar function. We'll do that in our chart title. We will call the variable chart page and fill it with our page variable. In the next step, we are going to create a text object in which we write the chart is on the page and then call a variable chart page via getVar. Now we place the created text object at the top of the object list. When we go over to the preview, we see that our variable cannot be filled because the chart gets printed after the text object. This is where we have to use the multipass method to fill our variable with the page. We can set the number of runs in the project settings. We will set it to 2 runs. And now we can see that our chart is located on page 6. Thanks for your attention.